Alright, welcome back to Carl Tomic Tech Reviews. In this episode, we are going to show you how to use the new Vinci Resolve 20 Magic Mask. And for this example, we're going to change the color of this guy's hat or his shirt. And we're going to show you how to do different masking options. Alright, so first of all, you pick a clip. Now, right here, we have the Magic Mask tool. Now what you want to do is grab your little marker here and click on the item you want to change the color. So let's start with the shirt. Now what will happen, and also you can toggle this off here. I'm gonna leave that on. Sometimes this might be off, so just in case, leave that on. Now sometimes you want to put a couple of dots just to really grab your shirt. And obviously if you press the better button, you're going to take more processing, but this is going to grab your shirt. Now if we want to make sure it doesn't change anything else, we're going to add a new layer. So I'm going to add a new node here. Now on this node here, you can see it's his shirt. Now we want to make this a moving object. First of all, you're going to track this once you've selected it. Now this will take some time. Okay, great. So now we have tracked that. Now, if we move this here, let's say we want to change the color temperature of just the shirt. You can see here, it's changing just the shirt and nothing else on that layer. And then when I go to this layer, it will change everything. So I've highlighted purely that layer. And obviously you can do anything, whether it's changing the temperature, whether you want to change the contrast, the highlights. And because we've tracked this, when I press play, it's actually going to continue as the video. So this is the very simple and easy way now with Vinci Resolve 20 to do the magic mask. Now if you want to make sure you don't affect any objects around you, when you do this you can select the minus button and then select every object that you don't want, or at least within the field, and then back to the shirt. And it knows now we really just want that shirt. Once again, because I made those changes, you'll have to track forward and back, but this one will make sure it doesn't track anything else. Right, just now I'm going to just give you one more example. So we've changed the color of this guy's shirt. On this second layer, we're going to do this lady's dress. And make sure it's on better. Let's give that a go. We'll track that now. Alright, so now that's finished tracking, you can see it's just her skirt that's highlighted. And see, if we want to change the temperature, it's just changing her shirt. Obviously, you can do all sorts of things, change the tint, go in, effects, manually color it. There you go. He has a blue shirt, she has a green dress. If this has been helpful, please hit that like button.